Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make a good form using WP form. And in this video we'll create like this type of a form and we'll add some extra feature in there. For example, like capture adding, auto reply, and how we can see that people are sending us mail. All the things and all the secret I will share in this video. One is the good news is like if you watch this complete video, end of the video I will give you I will show you like how we can get the free license key. I will give you 3 license key of my 3 audience, and I will tell you in the end of the video like how you can claim that license key as well. Before creating form, let me introduce like this pro version. Here is the, as you can see, I will give you this website link in my video description. Just click on there and then you will redirect to this page. And here, as you can see, based here like Elite, Pro, Plus, and Basic. And if you scroll down, then you will see here everything is only 1 year. And the pro version, you can add like 5 sites. The pro version, 1 license key. Here are the plus with 3 websites, and the basic, it's only 1 website. So it's depend on you. And here they're just offering us which type of thing they will give us if we buy this pro license key. And one thing, let me show you, like you were thinking about why you were introducing this pro version. If I not buy this pro version, what happened? Can I use this WP form without paying them, or as like a free version? You can use it, but if you want to use their pro version, then you will get some extra feature. For example, like the confirmation email. So confirmation email, like if someone send a message, then you just replying them, thank you for we are getting your mail and we'll contact with you. This type of thing you can send them. And also, if you let me show you one thing here the entry. And here the add-ons, lots of things you will get absolutely free if you buy their pro version. So as you can see, the entry means which people from here they just subscribe and which type of message they have sent us. And here's the add-ons. If you see the add-ons, then you'll see some extra feature, as like the PayPal integrate. PayPal integrate, it's so much important if you collecting the donation, or if you're selling any kind of product using this thing, then it's so much important. Also important is like this Mailchimp integration, the Mailchimp, the email collection, or if you want to do email marketing as well, then you need this type of website like a Mailchimp or GetResponse or any other website. So if you not buy this pro version, then you cannot integrate Mailchimp in your form as well. So that's why the pro version is needed. So now let me show you how you can buy it. So I'm just going to buy this pro version. Just click on this get started button, and as you can see here, the discount here showing the discount, and here just I have to put my all the information, and here showing like have a coupon. So here, as you can see, they are providing us 50% off. If you have coupon, then just apply it and just type your the email address here. So I successfully put my all the details here, and here the 2 options. One is like credit card and another is PayPal. So you have to click on this complete checkout button. So I'm just clicking on this checkout button, and they are alright. So they are giving us welcome message, and they are giving us something like this type of page. So freelance and web developer or agency, what I select developer, and save and continue. And what's the name of your company? Let me type here. Just type my YouTube channel. I'm here, and just play on save and continue. Alright, so here showing like founder and CEO, or what? I'm founder and CEO. Which type of form you looking to create? I just want to contact form and newsletter and other marketing form. Let's see, that needed payment form and conversational form, audience full. As you can see, we can create lots of type form that we need. Here the conversational form, it's how much important we can easily convert, we can create it. Here the payment form, here the survey form, lots of things available. So we can create any kind of form using this WP form WordPress plugin. One good news is we don't need any kind of coding knowledge, just drag and drop. So here just showing here this type of option. Okay, let's go here, the download button, just download here, and here as you can see WP Form Pro, and here my license key is showing here. So let's click on this WP or the download form button, and here as you can see site activation, then start downloading, and here showing this license key as well, and also here showing like site activation. And here is the renewal date. That means 5 June 2022. That means we have 1 year, the license. Since we are by this WP form as well, and they are offering us some extra add-ons as like Mailchimp add-on, geolocation add-on. We can easily see their location as well. This is a good thing. And form locker add-on. Form locker means like we can lock the form. If they import their password, then they will enter the form and they will see that. Here the offline form add-ons. Here signature add-on. Signature means the signature. And here the Payable standard add-on, Stripe add-on, survey and pool add-on, user journey add-on, lots of extra thing, man. And if you want to claim this all the things, then you need this pro version. Alright, so I successfully get this plugin as well, and let me install it in my website. So to install this plugin, you have to go here, the plugin option, here the option plugin, and just click on add new button. To upload this plugin, here is the option upload plugin, and choose the file that we recently download. And just drag and drop here the file, and let's click on install now button. Also, if you see carefully here, they're already giving us a license key. Just double click on there and just click mouse right button or copy it. Or here's the option copy button. Just if you click on here, it will automatically copy into your clipboard. Let's wait for upload this plugin. Alright, so here as you can see for our active plugin, just click on here, the active button. Alright, so now let's scroll down and let's find out the plugin. So here as you can see, we got two things here. As you can see, it's about like WP form plugin, and here is it, the WP Lite version that is come from WordPress.org. It's like the free version. It's so I don't need this one now. So okay, so I don't have to delete it as well. Just go to here and just click on all form button. Alright, so now let's input our the purchase key that we recently copied from the website, like WP website. So here as you can see, option enter and active your license key for WP Enable automatic update. So here just click paste here the license key that we recently copied from their website, and just click on save setting button. So if you not get this option, then just click on the setting option, and setting option, the general option, you will get this option as well. I mean this box you will get. So now let's save it, but unfortunately I was forget to verify our license key, and just click on verify. Yes, congratulations, this site now receiving automatic update, and okay, and just save it. Now we can claim there all the features, all the features. And let's go back to our website and let's reload the page. And as you can see, we're already use this license key in one website, and just click on the view side. Then you will see the website name. If you want, you can easily deactivate the license key as well. It's depend on you. Like if you deactivate that, then this same license key you can use another website. So if I reload this page, here the add-on page, and as you can see now I can easily install that all the plugin that I needed or that I want. Let's get started to create this form, and we just try to create this form to something better using a WP form. This is not looking good. Okay, so let's create a new here. Just click on add new button. So when you click on add new button, then you will get something like this type of page, and here you can put your form name. So let me type here main form. You can type whatever in your mind, and now we can select template like blank template, simple contact form, request code form, or donation form, billing, newsletter, suggestion form. Here's some additional template as well. So we're not going to use any other up there. We just take in a blank form. Just click on here. I'm just showing you step by step, so don't worry about that. I will not skip any part up there. Okay. Alright, so now as you can see, we get something like this type of page, and here we get two options. One is add field and field option. So in the add field, we are getting all the fields that they are providing us, all the things, and here the field option. Okay, so now we are going to this second step. Now we are staying in the second step. It's called field, and this is the pro version. So if you want to see the normal version or free version of which type of thing they are offering, let me show you that. In free version, they are going to this is giving us standard fields only. They're not giving us fancy fields. But in free, this pro version, they are giving us the fancy field that we can use in our form. So let me check our form that we are going to duplicate. So first, as you can see, the name, So let's type a name here. Okay, so this is the name. Just click on the button, and when you click on the button, you will get the same thing in the sidebar that, as you can see, we're getting from here. And if you want to delete any list or any field, just click on your delete field and just okay, then it will be delete, and let me customize this from the name. So when I click on here, then I just get something like, and here the record means user cannot skip this field, they have to input data there, then it's submitted, So here's a advanced option as well, like okay, so this is a placeholder. So the placeholder is something like, let me type, then you will understand what's this first name, and let me type your last name. Alright, so as you can see, this is called the placeholder. So the height label is this, the label. As you can see, the name, this is the label, and if you want to hide these sub labels, so this is the sub labels as well. And here, if you want to customize in future, if you want to customize this form, you can easily target the class and make changes. So here's some conditional option, like if you want to add something like you can add here, I mean hide or show something conditional. So I don't want to enable it anything. So I hope you get an idea about like field option. What is the field option and the add field? So field option is means like the field. When I click on here, then I get the field option here. This is the field option. Okay, now again go back the add field, and now if I check it out here, the email address. So let's add here the email, here the email option. Just click on the button, then we'll get something like, and now let me add here a simple placeholder. Alright, so I just type here for the email, people can easily understand. Okay, I don't want to do anything else here. Let's go to add field again, and let's see, they are adding here the masses, but I'm not going to add here the masses. I just want to add something here that I already create here. Tell us which type of website do you want to create. So let's add this type of thing here. Here it's about like the checkbox as well. And now as you can see, it's the default one. Just click on here the checkbox, and here the label, let me change it here. Which type of need? Okay, let me add a question mark here. So this is the label, and let's go to here the field option. Okay, so in the field option, okay, let me make changes here, the advanced option, and here make it inline. Then we'll get this option, all the option in online, and choice limit is only one, people can only choose only one, not other. And randomize, okay, we don't have to click on here. And here the record option, just think about which type of people are just want to create, in my website, people want to create a blogging e-commerce agency type of website. Okay, so then they can easily choose. So as you can see here, only 3 options is available. So if you want to create more, here the plus option, just click on the plus option, then you will get more fields about that. And if you carefully see here this option, like for example, if you want to rearrange that all, then you can easily do that. And if you want to remove or delete anyone else, then you can easily do that. As you can see, when I click on the minus option, then automatically it just goes to delete. So I hope it makes sense now. And now go to newspaper and just click on plus and just add it down here, and just other, and just plus it and just add it down. Okay, so now as you can see, we get this type of thing option. As you can see, all the things we get here, and we don't have to do anything else here, I think. Okay, now it's okay. Now again go to add field, and let's see the next option. Okay, so here I just add the 2 option, like it's depend on you, like if you want something like this type of select option, then you can do it, or if you want something like this type of input option, then you can do it. It's depend up to you, like which type of you want. So it's not a hard thing to create. Let me show you how we can do that. So it's what's like the single line text, and I just add here this one. If you see here, all the things are same, nothing special in here. Let me show you that. Just click here, this line or label. Alright, so it's one kind of this type of. Okay, so I don't want to use it as well, so delete it. And let's move on the next. It's about like select your budget. All right, so the budget, we're using here the number slider, this one, and it's one kind of, as you can see. So let's click on here and just add a label, and minimum value it's about like $50, and maximum they can add how much, $10,000. And let's go to advanced, and here the default value is showing here. So let me add the default value is $50 or $100, and increase amount. I think they already have this okay, so here the increment option, you can type here how much you just want to increase. So for example, I just type at 10, like when I just hover it or when I just click on here, then it's just automatically change up to 10 to 10 something like, and the select value, let me type here the dollar. All right, so let's add here the dollar. All right, so now it's looking good. Select we can type your budgets, then it will be look pretty much, and people like easily understand why I'm just what I'm just telling there. And the budget, and it's showing here select budget. All right, so now I hope you guys understand about the select value, and let me move on to another one. It's about like delivery date, how much later they just want to deliver it, or how much later they just want to deliver at. So it's the same thing, the slider, number slider. So okay, I don't want to take this number slider as well. I just want to checkbox is okay. All right, so now same thing I want to do here, just change the name, the label, and go to the advanced option and just make it in line. And now we have to change the this choice that is here. So let me copy one thing from here. Here it's about like 3 days and 7 days or 30 days, and let me add here other option other or custom something like, then people will understand. Okay, so here are the 3, here we can type here are this 15 days, and let me click on this plus icon, and let's create another one. It's about 7 days. I think it's 7 days. It's okay, 7 days, and as you can see, it's now looking good. I don't know how it's looking in mobile phone, but in here it's looking pretty much, So delivery date and everything is okay now, and we have to select how much they can choose. Charge limit only one. The height label, oh no, we need the height label. So here the delivery date, it's okay now. But let's go to another one. It's about like this one. It's of the masses. They can explain which type of thing this is just one thing, So let's add here this paragraph. Okay, so this one, the paragraph text, and now change the label as well. And let me add here the what's called the placeholder. Now it's looking good. So we're almost add here all the things here, and let's see the multiple choice how it's looking. I don't have any idea about that. Oh, where is it? But we don't need this. So here the reCAPTCHA option, if you carefully see this our website, they are already using reCAPTCHA. So let me add here reCAPTCHA as well. So when I click on the reCAPTCHA, they're showing something, a WP form setting, like we have to add what's called their API key as well, like the reCAPTCHA API key. So side key and secret key. Okay. One thing, to find out that, we have to go to Google and we have to search about reCAPTCHA. All right, so you have to come this website. I just I just typed something wrong, by the way. I get this website. It's about like google.com/reCAPTCHA admin. Just click on here and let's open it. Then you will get a simple form about there. As you can see, I already add my website in there, and you're showing something. And now we have to add another website. Just click on this plus icon, and as you can see here, the label means your website name. Labels means one kind of name. It's not a website name. It's one kind of name that you can easily identify this for this one. So I just type my domain name here. and which reCAPTCHA you just want to add. In my case, I want like reCAPTCHA v2. It's like I'm not robot, because most of the people are familiar with this, and people can easily do that if they're not robot. Sometimes it's make wrong, but it's not a big deal, or it's not a big problem. So here is the domain that we are going to add here. I mean, we are going to integrate reCAPTCHA as well, and here we accept their terms and condition, and we have to click on this submit button, and then they will give us a side key and the copy secret key. So let's copy it. I just copy as well, and let's go to our WP form and just paste here. And also we need this secret key, and let's go back here and let's save it as well. All right, so we are successfully saved here, and let's go back to our this form and just first of all save it. So now it's saved, and it means if we reload this page, nothing happened, like what data is now saved, So now let's click on this reCAPTCHA. For add this reCAPTCHA had been enabled form, don't forget to save at a time. Okay, I think it's now integrated as well, but I'm not sure, but we'll check it out, no problem. So let's see the preview about this one. Okay, so embed manually or use shortcode or create new page like existing page. So we can create a page about that. The page name about like test form. It's about like test form, and let's go and let's see. Alright, so we get this option here, and let's publish this page, and now view the page. Let's see how it's looking. Alright, so now it's looking something like, so it's one kind of good thing. And let me type here all information, and let's see what happened. Let's type something and just click on submit button. Alright, so thanks for contacting. Okay, so they will reach out. Okay, so they will be touching. Okay, so that's good. And let's go back our form, and let's go to all forms. So as you can see, it's working as well now. It's working. Okay, and if you go to the entry option, then you'll see recently who sent you messages. Then you can easily check it out if you want. And as you can see, we get something. So main form wall time is 1, less 7 is 1. So let's go to and check. Someone sent us message. So let's see who is he or she. So as you can see, we get some information about that, the name, email, and which type of thing he want. And if I want to see the action, then you can easily see. As you can see, we get all the message that you are sent us, and it's good thing. It's good. And here, as you can see, install an active geolocation. You can easily see the location as well. If you want, then you can do it from here. And now we can easily send a mail if we want, and we can tell them we can do or something like This is the good thing. That's why I'm telling you, like, you have to buy this pro version. In basic version, you are not getting this option, like who sent you messages. You cannot easily understand. As you can see, this is now locked. And the good thing is like he is from his location. We easily get the location as well. As you can see, we easily get their location here, IP address, all the thing we get from here. So this is a good thing. That's why I think you should buy this, the pro version. So they're already providing some extra tools. If you want, you can use it. And sometimes happen like they're sending us messages, we're not getting this mail, something has happened. So in that time, you have to fix this SMTP. I already have a video in my channel about SMTP. If you want to see, or if you have any question about WP form, please let me know. I will try to make the video about that. Okay. So now again, go to our form and let's try to do something extra in the form. Alright, so we was like this field 2, and let's go to setting option, and in setting we get some other option as well. Confirmation mail, add confirmation. Okay, so let's add the alternative confirmation, input confirmation name. So I think it's okay now. And okay, so here a conversational form you can create. Here form you can create. You have to install that, the plugin. Offline message, Offline form add-on is not installed. Would you like to install it and activate? Post submit is not okay. Install, activate. Survey pool, user registration, all the option is available here. Say the notification option, notification is on. The admin will get this, the email address all, and here the general option, the form name, form description, submit, and one thing here, enable Google checkbox, this reCAPTCHA. Enable Ajax from submission. This means like no reloading. Enable from submission without page reload. And disable storing entry information in WordPress. We don't have to tick mark on that. Just click on this save button. Then our Google reCAPTCHA will be enabled, and also the Ajax form submission also be enabled, and also as you can see our anti-spam protection also be enabled. Because most of the form have that like people just doing spam. They just giving something in promotional emails, and it's one kind of a spam. Lots of messages they are sending us. So if you already using WordPress, then you already may know about this spamming, what I'm just talking about. So if you want to add this thing, then you can easily do that, like the form locker, form page, and offline post submission, all the things is available. So if you want to do that, then you can just enable it. Okay, so here the marketing option. The marketing is the most important thing. That means now we are collecting the emails in our only WordPress website. It's about like WP form. So we are collecting all the email address here, this entry form, all the emails. But if you want to send any email, how you can send? In this system, you cannot send any kind of email for your user, like any kind of promotional email. You cannot. So you have to take help from any other company, as like Mailchimp, as like ActiveCampaign, Aweber, then GetResponse. So in this case, I'm showing you like this Mailchimp as well. So let me click on this Mailchimp and yes, install and activate. Then it's just automatically install this plugin and just activate here. Okay, so yes, save and just reload this page. As you can see, when I click on here save, then it's automatically just to reload this page, and now we will get able to see, or we are able to customize this the Mailchimp option as well. Alright, so as you can see, we get the Mailchimp option. It's very easy to use, and here you can add your Mailchimp account. Just click on here the add account button and just add your Mailchimp API key, and just add your username and just add it. So if you not understand how to find out this Mailchimp API key or the name, just click on the learn more button, then you'll able to see how to do that. Here they are already giving us a video, and already they are giving us tutorial. So I hope guys anyone can do it. It's very simple to do. It's not like a hard thing then you cannot. So it's very simple to do. So let me show you that about like this one, about this payment integration method like PayPal or Stripe or this one. So authorized.net add-on is on only elite feature, so we cannot use this authorized.net, but you can use PayPal. So I know guys, everyone have PayPal, everyone have Stripe, and it's easy to use the PayPal. So you don't have to go this authorized.net, just use this PayPal. So here they click on this PayPal, here the button, and same pop-up we are getting here, as just click on the install button and it's just installing, and let's click on yes and save and refresh. Then this page will be reload and we'll get this PayPal option. And now as you can see, we get the PayPal option, and now we can easily add the things like this information, enable PayPal standard payment, PayPal email, then mode, which type of mode you want, here the product type of donation, which one you want, all the things you can do here. So let me type a donation and cancel URL. If you want to add any URL, for example, your payment has been declined or cancelled, then people will redirect this page. If you want to add this type of thing, then you can. So here conditional, we don't add anything else, just save it out, and let's go to our field option and let's do something like, okay, so I just forget one thing to show you, that here some extra option I was forget to show you. I'm just showing you one by one, don't worry about that. So let me go to here single item, multiple item. Okay, so single item, so let's click on single item. What happened? So in single item here showing only price, but I don't want to do that. Let's go to multiple okay, so here the checkbox, we need the checkbox. I think it's a good thing, the checkbox. The checkbox, as you know, multiple item, I'm just deleting this, I don't need this one. checkbox, and now we can set up the price. First item $10, 25 $50 we can type here. For example, if someone want to buy our pro version or a basic version, we will type only $10 for them, and if someone go to this pro, we'll take $25, and pro plus will take $50 for So now let's go to here and just add total button, then people easily see the how much the price as well. So when someone click, okay, all right, so I think we have to, okay, one thing here, the option show price after a level. So I think this is a good thing. Now as you can see, people easily see the price. And now let me save this one, and we already create a page, if you remember it or not. Let me, okay, so here the preview option, let's see the preview, then you can easily see their preview as well. All right, so this is the things, okay, and here's some extra option, multiple item, drop down item. This is all about like payment, okay, all the things about payment. So as you can see, we get something like, and now we can select the basic, and here showing the price almost. And now when someone click on the submit button, they will redirect on this page with the payment through, and when they give the payment, then they will get this they will get this confirmation email or confirmation, something like. But in this case, I'm not recommend you this contact form, you just use it. If you want to take payment from your user, just try to create another form about that people will easily check out the payment, just different form, just create different form. So if you want to know about this, or if you want to learn about this, please let me know. I will give another video about that, like how it's work. I will integrate my PayPal account, I'll just send payment, and then I will show you as well. So let me show you one thing. I'm just doing one by one all the things, then you can easily understand. Okay, so one of the good thing is like signature. If you not understand what is signature, is one kind of when they're when they're just submitting this form, they will give a signature as like we do, So here the custom captcha, net prompt score, Likert score. So Likert score is means like sometimes happen like you were taking in a the what's called live chat, you're doing live chat within a company. So when your conversation done, then they will see or tell you like how it was our conversation, how was this live session, how much number you want to give us, something like. Okay, I have given understand about that. And here as you can see, we get lots of thing about like hidden file, rating. Oh my god, here rating option is available, you can do that. And here the hidden file, for example, hidden file here, so that's good. And here the progress bar, circle, and here the password, here file option. Sometimes the support form they need this file option, thing. Then people is a file, submit their file, they have this issue or screenshot, a video, this type of thing. And the website here, date and time, here city, address, and phone number, this type of things is here. So I hope guys you understand about this, and those are important but not all. Sometimes we need this address option, sometimes we need the mobile option, so you can easily do that. So format is smart, USA or international, here some other option is available, so if you want you can use it. And here some advanced option, placeholder, if you want you can put here the address option. For example, you want to just create a checkout form, then you need this address option. And here the date, and the website URL, password, hidden file, HTML code block. Okay, so let me type something here, let's see what happened. And here the rating option, where is the rating option, man? Oh, here's the rating option. And that's it for today, guys. I hope guys you enjoy this video and you get some idea about that. And I hope now you can do it. And it's very simple to implement in any page, or if you're using Elementor, then it's very simple to do. So if you see carefully here, our shortcut, that means if I copy here and anywhere I can submit it yet. For example, if I create a new page and if I put this shortcode in this page, then we can easily, easily see the form here. And let's type here the page. I just type a AAA and just published it. And let me see the preview as well. And also I'm showing you how we can implement in Elementor. If you have the free version or pro version, it's not a big deal, like whatever you have. I just click on this edit button, then it just redirect me, and this is the form. As you know, this is the things. And if you see here carefully, we get two options. One is this form, and the two, we have to give the payment as well. Oh, sorry, this is not like that. This is about the another page they already have, that's why they are showing something like. So that is like, if you want to create a 2-page for that you can do. For example, let me show you the example, then you can easily understand. In this page we are nothing, we're taking nothing, in this page we are taking nothing, but in this page we are going to take the payment. So you can do easily that. For example, you can select here this checkbox item, and you can do this same thing, total, and just click on submit. Then payment, people just do this payment, and they will take your product, or they will just contact with them, or confirmation email, something like this type of thing. So I hope you can do it. It's very simple, man. It's very simple. I hope you can do it yourself, and this is not a hard thing. Just click on save button. When you buy this plugin, they will give you a documentation file. If you check the Gmail, they will give you. So don't worry about that. And let me show you how we can add here this thing, or WP form. Let's search here WP. Okay, as you can see, we get WP form here. Just directly drag and drop here where you want to integrate or implement this WP form, and choose your form which you want to show here. In my case, I want to show this main form, and this is my main form. It's showing here. Okay. And display option, name or description, and advance some setting. That's it. That you already every single add-ons Elementor give us the same thing. So when your customization done, just click on update button. That's it. So I hope guys you understand, and if you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please consider subscribe. And now let me tell you how you can participate on the giveaway. To claim this reward, first of all, you have to subscribe our channel. Just subscribe our channel, and then like this video. Just click on this like button and scroll down. Just tell us something about WP form that you personally know. Just comment it. Okay, now you have to go to Facebook and search Get WP Expert. Just search Get WP Expert and click here the send message button. So now type your name. That was our YouTube channel name. It's like BD Trending Now. Then I can easily identify. Then type your email address. For example, I'm typing my email address. Just send us these two information. I'm just taking this, this name and the email address, because then I can easily contact with you. That's why. And 7 days later or 10 days later, while I will announce announce the winner, I will send you the purchase code, or I will contact with you. That's why I'm just taking this thing. And this giveaway, or this license key, or this WP form, get only 3 people. Only 3 people, not much, only 3 people. Randomly I will take it, and also I will also make another video about that, who just get this, and I will also contact with them. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you.